There's so many salads in here.
Oh! Are you recording?
Yeah, how do people usually start their mukbangs?
You're like, hi guys.
Hey guys, so we got Olive Garden to eat.
Divine.
We got jumbo house salad, includes 12 breadsticks, but they only put 4.
You should call them.
We have 5 cheese ziti al forno, your
That was
basic chicken
so good.
Alfredo, and fried ravioli. So let's munch.
Should I just get this one right now? When there's no way we're all getting this one.
That's true. Then again, we got the main salad with no tomatoes and no olives.
Would you prefer?
I might prefer it.
Okay. Also, look what they gave us. It's an entire bag.
I wish they had given us 12 breadsticks.
Only 4.
I was so excited to have the table have like so many breadsticks on it.
This is so fierce.
I don't really like marinara sauce. I thought it was cheese raviolis, but it tastes like meat.
Yeah, what kind of meat is that?
I don't know.
Lamb.
We have lamb ravioli.
I wish it was lamb. Just kidding, I never had lamb and never will eat lamb.
This is slapping.
I tried to watch a mukbang the other day, but I didn't really pay attention, so I still don't really know what we're supposed to be doing.
Basically, people
Yeah,
just sit and watch
stop.
you eat this food.
Okay.
Is it mukbang or mukbang?
I call it a mukbang.
Isn't it mukbang?
He says mukbang. Happy International Women's Month! My breadstick is kind of not doing it for me.
They're a little cold.
Cold and they're wet.
No,
It was
they're better
wet.
fresh.
They're doing it for me.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Hello and welcome to Who Knows Me Best, my roommate, my boyfriend, or Jake. I'm gonna ask everybody the same question, and each contestant can ring their little buzzer or beep their little booper. Hold
I
on.
have a question.
Yeah.
Let's say Ethan rings in, gets it wrong. Can I ring in after?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll start by letting you each choose what you want as your buzzer. Starting out, we have this niche bicycle bell. I guess. Oh, you want the bell?
I'll take it.
Oh, okay.
That one doesn't scream.
That one wasn't. Oh yeah.
We also have the tambourine.
I think that one might be mine.
Okay, Jakey. And finally, we have for Eli the squeaky duck.
Yes! Oh, I knew it.
Should've waited for the
I knew
last
it.
one. Are you guys ready? Should we test them all? Question number 1.
I'm scared.
When is my birthday? I think Jake actually.
What? November 16th.
Way to go, Jakey!
Wait, what year? Yeah, what year?
2000.
Yeah!
Let the record show that Eli also had to look up your birthday earlier.
Number 2. Name one food that I don't like. Ethan.
Barbecue.
Oh, that's great.
You don't like barbecue?
We were looking for pickled tomato or donuts, but barbecue.
I don't like donuts
donuts.
either.
Yeah, donuts just don't do it for me.
I chose the tomato since she literally said she got no tomato on the salad.
This one might be a toughie, but I think you guys can get it. What is my favorite movie?
Oh.
Eli?
Oh, no, I
No,
know.
you can't go
I
back.
know.
It's something about a demon.
5.
What we do in the shadows?
Yeah! Question number 4. How old are my brothers? Jake.
Colby is 28.
No.
Colby's 27.
No.
30.
Steve got 26. Colby. Dalton's 24. Gabe's 22.
Yes! We're all 2 years apart. Number 5. After I got into a ski accident when I was 9, what side of my face was scratched up so badly that I had laser surgery to remove the scars? Jake.
Left. Right.
Number 6. What are my nephew's names?
No, that was me. Oh my god. I told him earlier.
Thomas, and
8, 7, 6.
Kate.
Katie, this is my brother's name! Okay, Jake.
Thomas and Declan.
Yes!
Done.
How many times have I been in the production of Annie? Jake.
3.
Yes. Way to go,
Yeah.
Jake. Frequently, I name the celebrity and say that if I could spend one day with them, I would be their best friend. Who is the celebrity? Jake.
Kendall Jenner.
No.
Fuck!
Yes.
Fuck!
What camp did I attend in high school? I think you like that. Yes.
These croutons are good.
I have only been to 3 concerts in my life. Name 1 concert. Bonus point. Yes!
Okay.
Bonus points for all.
You've seen them twice.
Yeah.
Does that count as 2?
No,
No, go ahead.
Hannah Montana.
Yes. The 3 concerts that I have seen in my life were Hannah Montana, One Direction, and Kanye West.
Kanye West.
What is the medical disorder that I have in my uterus?
Oh, fuck.
Ethan.
Oh,
yes! Yes! Yes!
Is it Endometriosis Awareness Month? It is. Well,
Yes!
yeah, it is. I always see that online. I always think about you. So.
That's sweet. What foot is my tattoo on?
Oh, fuck. I didn't do that.
Yes.
It's a little bat. Do I get an extra point? My name's Bat Try.
What was my dorm room number?
421.
Yes! Ethan last night was like, to be honest, I saw you writing one of your questions, and I don't know it.
That's the warm one. I was like, how am I gonna know that?
Yeah. You are making me a cup of coffee. What do you put in it?
Nothing.
Yes! Go, Eli!
That was a trick question.
Yeah.
What does the neon sign in my
Are you fucking kidding? Till death do us part.
That is correct.
We need to roll back these clips.
I think Eli had that.
We need to roll back these clips.
All right, you guys. How many times have I had surgery? Jake.
7.
No.
5?
No.
Twice?
No.
She's had a lot of surgeries. 4. Don't fucking-
Yes, it's 4. I've had my wisdom teeth removed, I've had 2 laparoscopies, and I've had 1 boob job.
Word.
True or false? I had my braces put on at my dad's clinic, Mitchell Dental Clinic. Jake.
False.
Yes, Jake. It is false, and it was a trick question. I never had braces.
Yeah.
That's why I said false. Wow, I had braces.
Next question. Do you like me better as a blonde? Jake.
Sometimes.
What is my little dog's name? Yes.
I told him that too. No, you didn't. Yeah, before the game started, he said, what's her little dog's name? I should have told you shit.
What country star and I share a name? Yeah.
That was my gay awakening, was Kenny Chesney.
No
Not
way.
Kenny Chesney. On the CMT and music videos at Saturday mornings. Sorry, Mom and Dad.
Okay, this is the final question, you guys. This one is for all
Okay, I
the
need to step
money.
I need to step up.
When people ask me where I'm from, I say Jackson, Mississippi. But what is the actual name of the city that I live
Brandon, Mississippi.
in? Nope, I moved.
Louisville.
No. Okay, I lived in both of those places, so really good job. But where is the new place
don't
that I
know.
live? Well, my camera stopped recording, and it is probably going to make me furious for the rest of the night. But Jake won. Show him what you got.
Yeah. I got this picture of Chesney's YouTube profile picture.
Subscribe.
I'm gonna hang it in my room right next to my paintings.
Well, thank you guys for watching this. I'm sorry that I still haven't been able to piece together a coherent video, but maybe the next one will be. Thanks for watching. Bye.